My dudes, this beauty just came off the blocking boards, so let's chat about it before I sweat to death. Because of course, it was like negative 20 degrees when I cast this on, and today it's 60. So this is the Boston Blizzards hood by Elise Kim. It's got this built-in gaiter, and then it's also a hood. My hair's in a ponytail, so this is really not ideal for this, but yarns I used are this Speckly DK. I don't know what it was. I got it in a D-stash many years ago, and I never knew what it was. It didn't have a tag. And then for the part that's not actually touching my face, I also held a Surrey with it. I alternated every other row. One Surrey is Gift of Gab by Red Door Fiber Studio, and then the other is actually Treehouse Knits Truffula Cashmere in the colorway Very Beetlejuice. So I alternated them every other round, and it made this gorgeousness, but I don't want fluffy directly on my mouth. So this is going to be so great next winter. Modifications, I knit the ribbing a little bit longer than it suggested, just a few rows. This ribbing here is supposed to be folded over, but I just did a flat and then a tubular bind off because I was over it at that point. And the instructions for knitting the gaiter onto in here, hold on, let me just show you. So like, you knit the hood, and then you're supposed to put this on hold and knit this, and then come back and knit this. But the instructions for this bit make no sense whatsoever. So I did this first, and then came back and picked up stitches, and then did this last. And I did knit this longer, and did a tubular bind off for that as well. But yeah, it's gorgeous. I love it. I absolutely can wait to wear it. I'm ready for spring, but this is number 4th item on my Make 9. So I am making excellent progress so far this year. What do you think? Do you love it as much as I do? I bet you do.